Today we're dissecting jaw-dropping rumors swirling around the Fujifilm X Pro 6. If even 50% of these whispers are accurate, this camera could redefine APS-C mirrorless performance and hybrid content creation in 2025 and beyond. Rumors suggest the X Pro 6 will debut a 40-megapixel APS-C XR sensor, an unprecedented leap in resolution for that format. This isn't just more pixels, it's transformative flexibility. Crop extensively while retaining sharp detail for large prints, editorial layouts, or pixel-pushing digital work. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Ideal for street, travel, documentary, or commercial shooters needing crisp imagery with compact gear. This kind of sensor could deliver pixel-level fidelity without the bulk or weight of a full-frame body point. One of the most demanded features from X Pro enthusiasts has long been IBIS. Leaks point to up to 7 stops of shake compensation, a game-changer for handheld low-light, run-and-gun video, or travel photography. Sharp portraits in dusklight, steady video capture during motion, documentary filming without tripods. This IBIS could genuinely alter shooting habits. The next autofocus engine is rumored to incorporate real-time AI subject detection. Eye, face, animal, even vehicle tracking through complex settings like crowds or leafy environments. With the rumored X Processor 5 under the hood, expect predictive subject lock and dynamic focus adjustments tailored to the shooting scenario. Weddings, fast action, wildlife, and bird shooters. Think precision focus even mid-flight or in motion. Fujifilm appears intent on making this a video powerhouse. 6K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 60 frames per second, internal 10-bit color depth capture. Support for F-Log 2 gives filmmakers greater grading flexibility, highlight recovery, and cinematic palette control. This makes the X Pro 6 a hybrid dream, a single camera that handles both pro photography and serious video. Fujifilm's celebrated analog emulation modes are back, powerful tools for creators. Classic film looks delivered directly in-camera, streamlining workflow for travel, wedding, or YouTube content. Minimal post-processing required, ideal for hybrid shooters wanting visual consistency on the go. No corners cut, rumors hint at. Weather-sealed magnesium alloy chassis. Option for special finishes, e.g., titanium or Durati coating, adding both durability and tactile prestige. Fujifilm continues merging aesthetic heritage with rugged practical function. Design tailored for power users and mobile creatives. USB-C PD support for charging, excellent for travel or field use with power banks. Dual UHS-2 SD slots, enabling backup or overflow modes for extended shooting. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless wireless transfer and remote operation from smartphones. The legend of the X Pro series, the hybrid OVF/EVF, is said to evolve. Higher brightness, faster refresh, better usability in both still and video modes. A tactile fusion of analog feel and modern EVF precision, refined for a contemporary creative workflow. Leaked pricing indicates base model around $1,999 with premium variants, special finishes, bundles, up to $2,200. Positioned at the top end of APS-C mirrorless, targeting professionals